Welcome to the Secret Chef with me, Chef Gazpacho. Today's secret recipe is hey. If I tell you, it won't be a secret anymore. But you can keep a secret, eh? Doesn't this look good? My belly is trembling. I just gotta eat it. Let's take a look at our ingredients before I get too hungry. Those are gonna taste better. Now let's mix these together. Smells good. Now I'm gonna cook it up with that special gazpacho touch. Ta-da! Hey, Chef Gazpacho, play a little joke. These two foods were right. Can you figure out what number 3 should be? I hope you enjoy my little show. Remember, keep cooking. The Secret Chef was brought to you by